These are cicadas. I don't know if you can hear that wonderful sound in the background. It sounds like a car horn going woo 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 woo. Those are our beautiful 17-year periodical cicadas. I love them. They're beautiful. They just come out after 17 years of being in the ground. They mate and die. Look at that. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. Too bad I don't have my good video camera with me. Aren't they beautiful? Bougie bougie. Bougie bougie. They are just everywhere right now. On top of cars, on the ground, on buildings. Cutest things ever. They were my favorite insects as a kid. When they hatched, they had golden lace wings, so that's what I called them. Appreciate these great little guys. Here are the casings that they come out of. Oops. They are everywhere. So they crawl out of the ground, and then they crawl out of these little baby larvae they spent 17 years in, and they fly around, and that's it. That's their whole life.